This outstanding example of the 2014 Toyota RAV4 Limited is offered by Hertrick Toyota of Milford. This Toyota includes radio premium display audio with Navitune JBL navigation system, premium sound system, 50-state emissions, special paint. More room? Want more style? This Toyota RAV4 is the vehicle for you. This AWD-equipped Toyota will handle beautifully on any terrain and in any weather condition you may find yourself in. The benefits of driving an all-wheel drive vehicle, such as this RAV4 Limited, include superior acceleration, improved steering, and increased traction and stability. Enjoy the drive without worrying about directions thanks to the built-in navigation system. More information about the 2014 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 was one of the first modern crossover utility vehicles, and since its redesign in 2013, it's been redesigned to better fit the habits of its most common buyer, families who want a fuel-efficient, reliable, easy-to-park vehicle. A capable all-wheel drive system makes the RAV4 a smart pick for those needing to commute through snowy winters or a trip to the mountain. Strengths of this model include roomy interior for a compact SUV, fuel efficiency, safety features, capable all-wheel drive system, and upgraded connectivity and audio systems.